I will show you how to do your graphs. This is not Excel, but it's close enough. So we have our averages from each person in your class, and to make the graphs you're going to need the average of all these totals, the standard deviation, and then you can calculate the standard error. So for the average, you do the equal sign and a little equation box comes up and you start typing in average and it comes up right there. Then it wants you to insert the values, so highlight your values and press enter. For the standard deviation, you press equal sign and then STDEV. Select that, then highlight your values again, press enter. Then the standard error is the standard deviation divided by the square root of the sample size. So the sample size is 10. So you go equals, and then you do the standard deviation, the divided by sign, and then in parentheses you do SQRT, that stands for square root, and the sample size is 10 because you have 10 people. 10, close parentheses, and enter. And then you can just highlight all these three boxes and drag it over, and it'll automatically put those equations for this data. Then to make the graphs, you just highlight your two total averages, press graph. We're going to want to do a bar graph. Oh, that's the one I made before. Delete that. So here you have your bar graph. And to add error bars, select the graph and a menu might come up. Do positive and negative, and instead of fixed value, go to custom values. So for whichever graph is showing first, so the visual is the taller one, we're going to enter 14.8, comma 18.2. So 14.8, comma 18.2, enter. And then you can see on the graph it makes them each their own size. So do the same for the negative error bars, 14.8, comma 18.2, press enter, and you can see that this one is a little bit longer than that one.